in a peculiar European court ruling. A mayor was fined for a sneeze during a parade, a quirky reminder of public order laws. In the United States, a celebrity once claimed a wardrobe mishap shaped her case, showing how fame can bend courtroom drama. Historically, a 17th-century heiress disinherited over a prank, leaving scholars puzzled about how inheritance truly travels. The show also highlights absurd statutes like rainbow fruit bans in restaurants, proving laws can outlive their punchlines. From divorces to odd inheritances and criminal quirks, LawOddity reveals the strangest rulings that still shock.